Do you have any idea if a wand or a metal detecting device was used in this instance?
There was not a metal detecting device used.
Would a handheld metal detector have stopped a student from smuggling a gun inside a school? That's the question we brought today to Kenosha Police. The 16-year-old accused of smuggling a gun into Indian Trail High School was just in court. The judge ruled that teen will stay in custody. Before court, Mariam Mackar spoke with Kenosha Police and a security expert about this case. Mariam joins us live now. What have you learned about how this situation was handled at the school?
Steve, ever since this unfolded, we've been working to gain more clarity on what exactly took place. Despite multiple attempts to get more information from the Kenosha Unified School District, we haven't heard back from them. However, today I sat down with a lieutenant from the Kenosha Police Department to discuss protocols for school resource officers, or SROs, and if different tools like those metal detecting devices would have caught the students sooner.
For us, as soon as this happened and we were made aware of it, an internal investigation started, and that's kind of standard protocol.
An internal investigation into whether or not the officers who searched a student this week and missed a hidden gun violated policies. The student was hand searched once the tip about a weapon was brought to the SRO's attention.
Do you have any idea if a wand or a metal detecting device was used in this instance?
There was not a metal detecting device used.
Lieutenant Joshua Hecker says SROs are not given metal detecting wands by the department, though some schools use it for large crowd events like dances and games. He tells me searching students with detectors is not standard operating procedure.
Should that be used in future searches in this nature?
Wands, just like any other technology, have their issues. They're not a fail-safe. Belt buckles, buttons on shirts, other things will cause those wands to go off. Is it another tool that we can use? Possibly. It's not something that we use currently.
We asked security expert Christopher Ederasinga for his thoughts. Would a wand have found the gun in this case?
A metal gun, unless it's using certain alloys, is always going to be found with a metal detector, presuming the metal detector is used properly.
He agrees a detector is not foolproof.
No tool that we use is 100%.
But in cases like this, where the gun was hidden in a sensitive area, Ederasinga says it could have made a difference.
A magnometer is a fantastic tool to keep the ability of searching someone without physically touching them.
So Mariam, does the department plan on changing any policies on how these situations are handled in the future?
Lieutenant Hecker tells me that their department is constantly looking at their protocols and their trainings in order to make the police force as effective as possible. And it's something he says they will do in this case as soon as the internal investigation is over. In Kenosha, Mariam Mackar, TMJ4 News.
All right, Mariam, thanks.